I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV.
Let's look at Staples, Edwards Lifesciences, and Home Depot. Yesterday, Staples announced good earnings. Karen Feinerman on Fast Money said she likes the results. She's been long the stock. She's going to stay long the stock. So is this a stock that you want to be long as well? Well, we're looking down here. Looks like it's got a nice little rally going off of a really, really nasty sell-off. So sure, if you're long, stay that way. Okay, fine, but do we buy it? Okay, I don't think so. Not so much, at least not right now with this information. And this is what I'm talking about. I mean, you know, tomorrow, next week, it could be a different deal. But right now, we're looking at the stock having opened up at the top of the day yesterday and then traded down close to the low of the day. That tells me that resistance is right here. We got a lot of folks happy to sell you their stock right where they bought it last month or the month before that. So what I want you to do is this. Wait for the stock to either pull back a little bit more, say into the 13s, maybe mid 13s, or to break out above yesterday's intraday high, which was 1547. Either of those scenarios works, then I think this stock works. Kramer was talking about Edwards Lifesciences last night on Mad Money. He thinks this is a stock that you want to buy, maybe some November calls. It's a speculative deal. I'm looking at the weekly chart. This is just a really textbook volatility squeeze and an expansion to the downside. Not a good move, not a good thing at all. As I look at this, I'm seeing there's the breakdown level right there. Resistance would be right up here. So you got a ways to go on this weekly chart. So it looks like a pretty nice trade to the upside. You've got your low well defined, which is right down here. And we zoom in on the daily chart and you can see this is the top right there. That's really that's the upside potential on this stock. And I'm going to go down here instead of 81.50, I'm going to say about 80 bucks. Why? Because the stock is not just going to race right through 80 bucks only to find resistance at 81.50. So your upside is right up here at 80 bucks. Your downside is clear down here. This thing's right in the middle. Ladies and gentlemen, place your bets. And last but not least is Home Depot. Kramer, look, you put Home Depot and Lowe's back to back. Home Depot came out better on every metric, so this is the stock he wants you to own. Query, do you own it here? Do you buy it right here? I really wouldn't, and I like the stock. I don't own any of it and wouldn't be buying right now for this reason. A lot of resistance here. I don't see this kind of move at hand. I don't see the stock just doing that. I could see it flopping around here, floundering around here and there. But as far as rushing right through all this resistance in this kind of market and moving higher, I don't see it. So this is the kind of thing that you'd want to be buying on weakness if you're doing a Kramer trade. That's what Jim likes to do. Find a stock of a really good company and then buy it on the way down a bit. I think you'll be able to get it cheaper down. Now, here on the weekly chart, you can see a big old nasty reversal pattern. If you were short, you probably got shaken out of those shorts pretty quick. But as we've seen, this is a gap. It's one big gap. I would wait for that gap to be filled before looking to buy some Home Depot. All right, that's it for today. Look, you need to get over to realmoney.com before the end of today. And you know why? Because I want you all intact for next week when I publish my Fitzbits articles. I do them 3, maybe 4 times a week, depending on my schedule. I'm trying to give you good trades with some good charts, so I want you to get over there and do it now. Also, you can check out my website, stockmarketmentor.com. I do free trading videos. You just get over there, sign up. I send you a free trading video every night. Last night's video was on waste management, so I want you to get over there and check that out. But I definitely want to see you right back here.